Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with Paul. And last time Paul told us about looking through the glasses of his clients. Today we're back again with now. Paul is from the old generation. When he was growing up, they didn't have internet. There was no social media. There was nothing. And right now I hear so many people tell me, yeah, but my clients or my audience isn't on social media. Paul, what do you think about that? Is that true that people of your age or people older than 50 or older than 40 are not on social media?
Well, not in that way, because there is always another way to make your advertisement.
Yeah.
I was born up with advertising in newspapers and network, talking to people.
Yeah.
Very face-to-face like, and very old-fashioned by paper. Everything on paper.
Yeah.
And then there was sometime that came LinkedIn.